aritandika so ndera kwakira sebo na nyabo okwe aho uri burire buta how is the morning twiciriza nakarengwe mbabazo nzo tubasaba cyore cyo kwenda kutaho umukono cyore cyo guteka byona ebyo ino mutwe okubiyo mutoka biteka aha mbena aha ukabiretera byarebeka oba nonda kuhandika oba mwino rukiko today muza kurikiriza muta nebitandikira mbabazi nubugabo busesero ruho utandikira. That's why we sang God every morning. Mbwenu simu keji kwe kutandika eti tuba tuyine mushonjore kibwinji no mu segment so twine byamagara mushona yiza twegesa obuntu tugira umujenyi tuganira nawe obunda kibatabiro tuganira niyo kurabira asimu numbano mutugambira aha ibintu ebibiri bitina biti kurugira murama ko ngandi tuba tuyine senyomo in most cases senyomo Gideon naenda kuba naturetero ndijo mukozi wo murumo omutawo naida kutugambira handache naida kutujya turyaha kandi atuhereza ubwo umuntu yatayira umuntu atore cyo kwatandikire ekigenderwe cyo kiroho kugira ngo ubase kujya tubisheje kintu eni nkora kanushuti cyangire when not trying ikintu kikora oye cyo teka ngo bari abakora imirimo ubundi sana bakazarwana bagikora no at one time bakeshangana bagitandika atore akakuba twiro rugendo rwe izoba n'inditandikanti ubundi orebe cyo gukora uyihamu nangwa cyekerezana no guteka uti I can also do it kandi orebana n'ikindi ngo toshemeye kunyome by'abantu bakora because ebe byo kupinga ebyo nibyo biretira abantu bakora iby'amani umuntu akagera ati obuntu bucyo bwo kugaya nibwo kuba buretira ibintu byagumiza muri bikora nibibaho kandi bikirage so turhanu yakuba niyo kusesha ishatu umusimu ka program age at one time we shall even bring to you newspapers brazamakuru ezeri izoba twazutungire online physically na buzira cyikutwikaha turebe ebirumu charto rireje tinyine shonganyo
yes
ndije mazima
yes
obwawire umuzina rya Yesu wanje
amagara ubwine ningare bamwe n'icyo
nagaga kuntura nago waranarenga beno manya nk'intu
kandi narubushesha nkare wacendera usayizi
ndikucendera shikongera nkahika nushengwata nayo njara nimba ningabo
urucendera nka yacendera nabwa wayongeraho nabukizo mwenu ntwira nindebe ryemwe ningira na wanu wenga kilo ntarga yemwe azahibiriye mwenu tachizire kuba hempinduke eje kwerakira no mukongera no mukucara so ata I can gauge ngent ugogo no shota ino kwasize I think it's size byo gukora tikurenga tukweyongera ukabimaintainingira wasigaza nk'umuruci ahandi
kandi intamburo muri Yesu
ngasigana planning ibintu by'amano mishokwe
yo ni planning na hati abantu ninguma nimbe tampora wenu ntushabangu niwaze kutanga misho obwe tutegerize Gideon Senyomo ahadachiki 14 ezaringo mushayiti yo kubanza arakuteretera omurimo gwa onkani jangu niwe utakazo mukoka shitamo kareba konka kureka jire cyo wateka mbuza murana we kintu nachikorata umanya individualism ka Twitter jealousy ya Twitter turyaho we na buriyo mwami mize ariyo mucena kafera mutagamba takugirachi oyebwa ngo amagaraga nago kwatana sabuza mutahi wawe kandi yo mutahi we basa kumutebeza habo kuba hajire cyasisikara wa murana nchimanyisa ngo nibyo byasisikara washanga batine cyo kuri nchimanyisa nkumurabya amenye kiro mbaza kuteme bitoce byawe ozaho sakingo hande bunaku kandi uracibona nakitiro mudari ogurire yiwe no hinga no tamamani no gira kumbe ori yawe narindo mwazi yakiba so kunoga mu mushoborero ko kuchikora kikabene kiba kirungi nawe basakorowe no gwakorowe mwena mugira ebyo kurya mushazya muhikana kugira ngo kabyashaga hatwaza gukora ki hatamugira ngo reka tero maranga batereze cyo macho kusebitoke tabentu ya makasano tukabike ushange ngo mwena mabasa kurira hamwe kandi buriyo mabase kwihamutahiwe umuhanda mbeno takagaya echechi munanke cyaro gukora reno mwazi kandi ukabani wahendero je kucironda kifuba charte kana kozire myaka minji manya byagatorize nkayo cimbugana otimpera za yechido achechido nimba nachiye kandi twiranuka y'umurimo gundu gukora ngo naho nko diretore bere cintiro mbwenu mbase okwihihano mu mahanda twena tukabasa kugira mwechido tukabasa kugira mwecyaro 10 Denda bwanyuma tubasa kugira istwa igaraza tushomesa abana bitu tureberera amakageitu narahango mwigura basa kuhebwe kitinde sa mbwenu
Nshonge jo no turi kwakirira umurimo gwanje turi nkahi turi omtown twinoha Gideon Senyamo
nakora ki
twakira
Senyamo Gideon good morning
we mnonga Vincent na Charity good morning eshonga wasoda ko kwazigamba obumwe nchikuro munseje ndakusibiza mukashosho ko murimo gwanje rizo baturenkayi turiyo mu kikubo aho kushanga ebharani ebinji umwanya ogu harimo abakezi ari baka umwanya ogusha 11 ndakusibizayo erizoba nataiso mwami Vincent ogu Vincent unataisa na nizi na niwe nka Vincent mujurizi kati mutaisa nje tugambe umurimo gwagumazire mbwire ki agwihire muki nugwetaga kushoma nari ma Vincent tulive TV wasi just tugambira amazina gawe na namurimo gwawe kakwata takafai
amazina aine Vincent Karuru kurgo mu Kashaka mu Garcia
okay
nyo wiro umaziro mu cyarani tubwinje munonga konka ahabwa emirimo y'abantu bakumva na bakastoma binyine nkimpayiriza kucyera nkajukora umbwire kafuna ngagumana customer wanje
tugamba mu rumogo okaguza mota nugwetengisa ki tankiraho
hata mu rumogo nyewe nyine sister wanje tuyiromo muri mbara kina herize senior 4 yangira ngo konka mwana we ahabwaci utakujoininge cyarani kege koti den tokamanya nyencha kare aho kube cyarani cyo kureba no kucera nuwakubutinemu nuwakurwa mukotinemu kizo customer takabura umuntu yarabaka kwimtwareje ntwarebi
ari kugabera ari kukoraki
nabasa kuretera ngo murumo jatukanye ne sati yanye nkeji tujinkwateramu nubasa kumuye cyitana noriya yari to gundi muyongo mutwara
tugamba buri bumaziro mu rumogo sofa ebirungi bwagurebere mu namnonga wagamba abintu nkebe
ecyarane cyo kureba tenka kimaze mbwire buri ngo munonga
tugamba buri n'ubungarije
ndiyo myaka nk'eshatu imyaka eshatu egiye yo kureba
mwen jengwe wajya ngo ndiyo myaka nke that means ndiyo myaka nke bere necweka
myaka nke bere necweka indi nagikize mbasize kwebisaho umutawuni nyepangisaho inkorara kai nyisasura buri kimwe indi ntakatanche cyarani bakamba asasura ahinabe ni intura
sister
wanje ari kunsasura
akushashasha zingahe
kana sasura ntiye mtwaro munana arakundisa arakunywisa ntakatanche kukora konka hata hintanche kukora ni nyisasura buri kimwe
weshashore mtwaro munana rent weshashore kuryana nebindi
webari buri kimwe cyona ni nyisasura kuya hintanche kukora kandi ndeba ndumuni nyeyongero misho
ate Vincent namnongo muri wa TV West amazina senyumo Gideon nakashonshoche no murumo gwanje cyo tuganira na Vincent nakora murumo cya ari mu cyarandi ogu no mucyezi twenda kureba umurumo gwe cyarana mnongo ari yo kwa kutekateka ngutugure mu kasente nare kugaya oshima kubana ogumanya okinare ogutunge muki twakureta umuntu ayinje kushobora echo cyenyine Vincent umutari ya TV West ari nakurebegesha naenda kuzo mu cyarandi muhereze ntandikwa oyine warwo mu cyaro waheza senior 4 oyine kore kina national nechi okwikariye cyo kwike okutasya okashasharo ntane bindi
kugero kwa uze cyo kibuzo ngarwo mu cyaro ntakomanya kintu kuza kukora kare wankani manti ninkwegaki ikote nempare
okay
ibintu bibiri byonka kina ishiro mu town natandika nayiga kongo mukwego kwe mbaho takusasura nota kusasurwa
ngambe mwe muri wati basa
nota kusasurwa noine kutuba buri imbera konga mbako kaheze imyaka ebiri utakusasurwa indi duwo ine mu munyabuzaye ngo kunaga
tugambe aha cyarani umwe wa TV Nyanja kwisi
hahindi nimbasasura
tubanze tugaruka amakantako tugambe turi ashonga ecyarani omuntu yaza kukizamu twazombye sente ako yagamba kushoma yagamba arichi Vincent omuntu yaza omucyarani na mnogo byo kugurana n'ibindi
wakiza omucyarani kare waheza kwega wene kubanza kugura ecyarani munonga nicyo cyamani
tukigambira omusente
sente tugura miliyoni emwe n'ekiweka ekyarani cyo kureba
ekyeki
cyo kureba TV West
tare cya hanso ako ntiyo tugambana n'ubwo umuntu ari kwenda kutandikana n'ibintu
hari ebindi bharani konka tibikuvuga koti hari ekyarani kikuvuga koti kandi hari ekyarani kikuvuga ebindi ebyamakyemaky konka ekyo ekyarani miliyoni emwe n'ekiweka wagikwata ukakigura nimpamya wakweza emyaka nk'etaano none orebe icyo yiyongiro
nabwo ekyarani ebindi bikugenderaho
ekyarani kirigire ebyokuba nokora kuba nokora ekoti noine kuguriraho pasi ukaguriraho kebo nk'egyo ukagiteekaho ko harateke pasi niyo egiye yo kureebaho ninkozesa y'amashanyarazi noine kuba nogorra ukagura amakansi nk'egi ukagura rura yawe nk'egi yo kutereza wana ubazira
nonisha Vincent binte tugamba omusente na mnongo hari umurebo wa TV West na yakwe yanaenda kubankiwe nawo myaka 2 n'ecweka atandike kutasya nko kora kutasya nko kwatugambira cya munana shashe rent na nebindi hata mugambira omusente omujengo ecyarani miliyoni 1 n'ecweka makansi obane ya 10 bane 12
yo kureba negure mutware 2 n'ecweka rureji yo kureba nigura siringi 10 wakwiza mucyarani na muno ororuko rwo kureba nigura mutwaro gumwe n'ecweka wakwiza mucyarani oine kube waiza kare wiza kwega oine kube ine cyarani makansi rura na norukoba
ahandi utandike gukora sente izoba ryagenera karengaje nuko yanke cyazingaye
izoba ryarengaje mbasa ndire nywire byo nambihiro nke cya munana
orire onywire ecya munana
ni chikora
uta Vincent mujurizi na charity akashoshoche no murumo gwanje ebine bya Vincent hati atugambe hati ndiyokwe ndiyo muri wa TV West tinyine sentezi konkanyenda kutandika mpora tini kubasa kuja kuba nyine skill konkampora ndikwega mpora ndikwongera kongeraho then nkija nkagore bindi ubwo wono mahaburo to munyeto
hata ubwo munyeto no iza ampchira nkwegese omugwere buke awo ineyo akasente kake ntibatuine mumwe bharane bya mpora
tugamba ari bako twenda gamba umuntu waburije
umuntu waburije nta mwe bharane bya mpora abagiga hari bharane bakubamba pangisa
arzingai
bamba kipangise mtwaro mukaga
okwezi mtwaro mukaga umwazi utane cya munana that means never business
never business
okay
wakupangise cyarani cyawe yinka amezi nkana gaza kwaho mazumano bokozere kintu cyamani
ushimye kuba nogure cyawe bigambira cyato utari mufera
bazuma ecyarani cyo kureba bazuma tine cyo kutugamba aho kubana cyo kikundisa omutawuni cyo kikunzwe kandi cyo kikunkorera buri kimwe
oyo no mshara
no mukazi
muramusi nawe nari nakureba
mazuma rumunandeyo mutara wanje mamwita Fiona
okay
mazuma ni mwakura
Omulative wese akashonshoche no murumo gwanje twine Vincent omurumo gwecyarani yakezamo imyaka ebiri necweka ndikonja kurita abantu nkaba na munonge muri wa TV west oje chiwayiga tukugira ngo tubareta nko kushemeza mission n'ebindi gire chiwayiga oje chiwatandika imyaka ebiri nwayiga nobori umishomere imyaka endije binecweka watandika gukora kasente hari abantu babiri oguyaba Vincent nyenda twakiro ndije obutwigira kuhendera nawe tugambere Vincent ejon ango ya Vincent ogukata just brief amazina gawe iwo murumo gumazire mbwire kikande birungi bwagwihiremo
amazina ganje
twere mu kamera
nabanyita Ajana Edwin kandi okora ha amutsero ambaguta omukiko cy'Ibiharani ntungira umucamahango umucyarani namaramu emyaka erukushika emyaka 20 nimbazira kandi cyarane kintu kirungi cyarane kindisize cyarane cyandeberera na family yanje cyareberera abantu abamwe abundu kwateraho so cyarane ni kirungi wakega akubaruha abana butwegesa hato bashowiye bamuntu bakore sente mazume cyarane tukabanza kukigayo bundi ngo cyarane ne cy'abantu batashomere cyarane no kuba yaburabura no kuzo mu cyarane konka mazuma cyarane ni kirungi kiturisa kitureberera kitombekera amaju mazume cyarane ni cyecho nugo mu gwitu nugo tukoraho sente almost cyarane brizoba ni kwa sente otine na capital otatire mu capital kwe sente
capital no message
kushanga ngo muntu omwe wabotine hontana kwa kubanza kuzagura ikintu konka ko kuboshitamya cyarani cyawe nkeki customer ija ati nyendo share mpara hansi umugambe nkumitana kusimba ushanga ngo tuwabasa kusiba njara tuwabasa kubara airtime asumu tuwabasa kugira iki cyakuburura ahabo kuba oyina kasento munshaho
obutwigira kendera emyaka 20 wahizo mu cyarani omuntu ngenda ashomere tashomere aina man aina majezi nchenda ki
webare bwana Gideon echarani just nchitaga amani na nokumanya cyo sheme kuba nokora tikikwetaga kushoma kwango kashita oba oine okumanya kubara ebintu aho echarani nchitaga kubara ebyo ebitukubantu kora byona no kubara so wana umanya kubara ekibaro wana umanya kubara ekibaro cyawe mazume cyarandi kikwetaga kugira ngo kashoma manya nkitaga papara hango apana wawaheze P7 wawaheze P5 kashita ukarubata ho mwishomero
urugambo rujungu
no rujungu no wakubano gamba mu rucerike abo kuba hicha customer umwe katugeze yaba takukozesa runyankore nkoro tukoze saha konka nugamba nawe umurimi rwawe ninga sho awambwaho mugenzi wawe agamba nawe ahindira nawe kandi ukwatagana nawe akweze sente
akagambo kamuhero
akagambo kanje kamuhero ni nyende zabo bona abamwa batuyemba tureba tubazira batakumanya ubundi tubitwaza sta ichango yija ushitamenitwe twereke ko shime kwa no twaza ukora zo mu cyarani kandi ukakitungira mu sente utatire mu sente nyingi ekindi okwega noyega akasente kake mitwaro 50 mitwaro 8 miliyoni okurijira okuwija tukaganira
so fees
yes ejo na fees waba noija kwega ino mwana wawe obundo ineho omwana oheze kushoma nkoko omweti yaje ahandi yaenda kushika ntubashaba abazire abina bana abo abakwataraho nebija batushikira tuganira nabo tubashomese cyarani kandi bakorese ndabana nibinjomu abegere biharani kandi bakabisaha ekazabo bakayamba hona nabandi abucyosheme kubanki kwataho
wasigauriyo
nasigara ndi Edwin Ajuna okurugaha omutseru amba kutasito mu kikubo cy'Ibiharani
ukarugankai kwijambara
nindiga ntungamo niyo uzarwa rwanje
Charity na Vincent Mujuruzi okashonsho cyo n'umurimo gwanje ababayize Biharani wabareba okutasya emitwaro 8 buri zoba orire onywire beno kazoko kajangu government etuyambe yese gaveneza kuyaba kugani oyehwerire abakire nasgansenyo mu Gideon abo muri murama kagaro mu studio Charity na Vincent bagumze na program ya Simka niwe nayega tingumanyiwe omuri wa TV West wayega nari.
Well done Gideon, webare kuvugana Edwin hamwe na Vincent kandi batutangaza je omurimo gwabo. Ngenu nuho twatandikiraho nitwe yagira ngo ahizo barunji on a good day nabasa gukora imitwaro 8. So kimanyisa ngo mwe nabasa gukora 5 ubu nabasa gukora 3 ubundi akora mushanju you know. So omwene mu mwaka banazanda konkanyo nyina amatsiko menshi kugira ngo nobu yakweriye imitwaro 2 per day. Still no one okore kintu chango mnonga abo kubeka yawe tergetenga eka yawe terurwa no ryo mushija every day ningo mukazi every day.
When we are considering the minimum at age 600 a month. Yes. 600 a month is nisende no tahana sende zo tahana zukwingana zo kubanza. I have a friend bamweta mhanguzo nrato
hono
akanja ngo mutwaro byo munshaho ngukiri kumiyo kubanza.
Indeed abo kubetse cyo inenchi kutaseda
akwa no tere kigombe manye konga atiwe bagira ngo kigombe acho kibara ajo tikigombe tinku kibasa
ati no manya aba bariyombe gombe bya buri izoba ayine cya buri izoba ayine cya buri wiki ayine cya buri kwezi ababo kuba noreba akwa mutwara mwizi batukumburira emitware 3 aha muherwe wa wiki te kumuburira na nemitware 5 amuherwe kwezi te kumbura so nabiko mutwara beke 3 abike 5.
Nindakuza kushaba Gideon turukuza uzomuka umuro ndashaba Gideon mbere byaza kwija ayazo mu office white collar jobs hatabuze on a good day tingumanye mu office nkaha na hand when these formal jobs zine good day avuta amazon gashana ngene kukushana
cyo kubanza office ne boring no shitamo mu ndebe otegereza ratahe muto kumureba cyo ne cyo kubanza cya kabiri
good day ne harero kukirerindi
Mjuriza haro good dem office omwe yo kurebe jejo ha
bona ari
kashati no ndachigaritsire kandi nichijera mwe cyo mugasho utere you know utere mu mwonyo yeso tinga but anyways nota kumangunchi kwija nota kumangu umuntu obwari kuchwereza na chikomburunji asakushanga kamera zuru kukwata ohendera mu mbuga z'amateka but with these people it is everyday money kandi zibakoresa man gabo obwenje bwabo kandi baguma bari abashijo makagabo bari abacharo makagabo yencha kare yabe ever brighter than what we think. Direcho wakora odirecho wagasra ensi yawe twaza kumura abanywani beto ugaruka tsaka twine papara z'amakuru ezatushitira harimo papara rwa The New Vision no papara orwa Bukede ninkushaba ngo ugumeho.
My friend, I have made some good money today. It is time to relax and enjoy life.
Nice to hear that, Semu. Just give me some money.
Gino, let's go party. All the drinks and the muchomo are on me. I will crown the day with a babe to chill with before I return home. Let's enjoy ourselves. Life is too short.
You guy, you mean you want to take nothing home to your family? My friend, indulging in casual sex has become very risky and dangerous these days. There is HIV and what's still Mpox.
What are you saying, Gino? I use protection. A condom. Don't scare me.
Good. Condoms can protect you from HIV and other STIs, but not Mpox. If that person has the Mpox skin rash, he will also contract the disease Semu.
What?
Yes, Semu. And from there, you'll spread it to your loved ones, your lovely wife, and your children, who may suffer serious disease and even die.
Thanks, Gino. I heard about it earlier, but I just brushed it off as well. So I am cancelling this useless program and going home to my loved ones. Bye, Gino. Bye.
Good decision. You see, that is being responsible, Semu. Hey, by the way, before you go, just give me at least a 50K.
Mpox is real. Protect yourself and the loved ones. Stay safe and do not indulge in casual sex or other risky behaviors. For more information
About Mpox,
call the Ministry of Health toll-free line on 0800 1066 or send a free SMS to your report on 8500. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health
with support from UNICEF, WHO,
and its partners.
My friend, when the SOAS started, I went to 3 different local clinics. Can you imagine I spent money on creams, pills, even injections? Nothing worked. I didn't know it was Mpox. By the time I tested for Mpox, I had almost spent all my savings. How I wish I had gone straight for the Mpox test. I could have saved that money and time and started healing sooner.
That's true. When you notice a rash of fever, go to the nearest health facility immediately for checkup. It saves time and money.
Yes.
For more information about Mpox, call the Ministry of Health toll-free line on 0800 1066 or send a free SMS to YouReport on 8500. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health Uganda with support from UNICEF, WHO, and its partners.
Nuko twagaruka tutyo program y'ikirese simuka cyo butunje charity nchine Vincent Mujurizi nututambura niwe mpaka shayishatu kandi akashonshire cyo kutwijamu nakarimo impapuro z'amakuru harimo urupapuro rwa Bukede na The New Vision bere mwaza kutwitiriza tutandike n'urupapuro rwa Bukede ururimi Uganda. Ahantu hagira nte yabadde mu basi nga bava kulambula atotode byarabye nga abayizi bafa amaziga ku somero manjinyo turi aha basi bireyine abeji abirenu barga okulambula kandi bakahendera bagwira mu accident kate yabadde mu basi yo ari mu kutotola byarabye nga abayizi bano bambi nga bafa maziga merere wari bahono hurra washwa urisiga ryakuragara ronda ko kwata habura and twine gumantishabira abana beyitu bambazo mu ngendo zitari zimwe na zimwe abo kubaho kwabo neshara zitu nabamarika babo bongere okubemerera otherwise obundi kutukubira kubitamwa amani obundi abana bitu bahendera habireho nkebya akubasitane neronda abantu aberundine neronda abantu abari innocent neronda abantu mwene bakwata umuringo gwe obakuba bateteka tekire obundi hakiriye ko guza kusimbura urugendo je tumukamara hanga wanje nyebembere konko umwana ona yimuka agenda nko kuyagenda so twineguma tuta ishara zitu abana bitu obundi hakagira owahonokaho amakuru garyaha abazire bariyo nubarra utakana bukuka noreba horumwe hurani wiziga ryakoragara abasubuzi bago byakurira kasita yo mu Uganda byewunyisa naye nga bitufu kushanga ni wakuborya misho gabantu bakureberaho otiretwa hariya ngo yija ochetor chiko buri magaja hare mbwe ni yazagamba kireka twerundane konka this time around bobe kozere mu murumo bamubinga echo nicimanyisa ki urupapura norwa Bukede akasheshekerezoba Cardinal Wamara asimya abazadde baba sacerdote no manyokuzo muntu kamusya hakobecho bikwatene dine neshonga nkuru munonga so ogwe yachera kubebaza abokora enkuza nkejo then anbajant China ne Russia zitandise okwegezamu ibintu ebitukume yibirije kwenderera tubisheka nke birungi konka mazimagara ngwentaro turusya nite tugumba bunkengo shoto bunde shayo na nibirara nitwe byatwengejinga tobe involved doshange yaba world war ya kasha yo murundo gundi so tuongere kushabira mahangaga ruhangaga kwateho gakarice ombuteka Afande Nixon neminana bazidwa kwa rimanda no mwijuka Nixon agasirwe karhanga na mtahiwe Abdunul Semuju arukumanywa kamenana baryo mukoti ahabo kugira ngo na bakaza babasa kwa bayitabire omukwita Joan Kagezi mbere joro mjejuka turugumisamo n'orupapura orwa bukede twine mu page yitu ya senga ensonga nkuru nnyo ensonga za senga mama batatenkazi bari nka bacendire distance yabira hagati yitu na batatenkazi itwe nayo ikagenda neba mpango mbwenu urupapuro rwa bukede rukagira ngo no for us we shall come in and stand in for you tumentu baretera ibigwiye kwasa kuba nishoboroka aha page ejo mbwenu ndamba janti abawara n'abarenzi muri mwe abawara n'abarenzi abanonya ababezi otakashemba nacho then omukyala byori no kukora olabika bulungi mu kisenge nebweru okwezi obujja kintu kikulu nnyo nobasa okubonerera okuko mu bishenje byawe then even on the outside ni washora bajenga omukyala nanka mbwenu byona biryomu basa kureba byori no kukora okulabika obulungi mu kisenge nebweru birwaha ahandi agarukufa habiruka indane bagira nti obulabe bwo kuvugira motoka mu neutral abinje ngwaho ngutekunywa amajuta mingi mbwenu numutere ndobu wali wakabi akasobora uva mu kintu ekyo olupapula rwa bukede rwakedde obikulaga toyina rwekwaso utakaje utumweni nyo wanyegiso kuvuga utarabishwe mise no bukede izia okubasa kushoborera then amakuru agani mpurana gankwataho munonga omumpakeza Africa Cup of Nations is ekiro cyanyo mwebaziye cyabushesheri izoba twaba turiyo mu kishayi cyitwaha turukuza nihanga area Algeria bazima batkora kubi tugezeza ko kwegamba nebigana batkubye satu kubwerere kati Uganda Cranes bye inokora okuva mu kibinja birwaha babireta kasheshekeri izoba dena ndamba jantu Museveni akikoze yakoze kiriwa era still ku Uganda Cranes shoma yorebe ntu win ya Cranes mu chan ya Kawumbi atebye ino kukora okuva mu kibinja ntimanyisa ngo muzeya nabasa kwatira akasente omukikola obulungi Akawumbi paba nakabaka rwa papura norwa bukede norwa shiringi rukomi entekateka yawe se
entekateka yanjye kumenywa kacayi
mwebaraba kafe kandra ngubana mukikorera umwira resere nekikanu kandi tachigwejejera ka kofi nije
njano ubura nana atamiza tane byonda bitamwenu yibuza cyeri tugu ati mbere intekateka ngo noro kwiruka kwitwihanga okwiruka Ede msindiriye mba kipu tichi kipsro kipchegei wabijuka nonsroti nomanya omu economics hare chiba kweta bajeta I'm forgetting the term but specialization no specializing acho mkwenda kukora then haramu nechiba kweta cooperative advantage no kugira ngo charity nabasa kukozesa amana macho mukweshongora he mucanga Chira gato kugira ngo bakujenga hati charity twakutomba byo kwiruka oze kwiruka nabakipsro
kanira wanyita
haruri yo mukaza ka inzikuru
yes
hati charity no bakutamba billions zikarga ba trillions mazima
mukabana muzitamu n'umugongo
konga ategeza abaje ngo charity bamukore cyakwenda noenda chi what you need on stage charity oguna basa kusanga at one time ayona competing na ba Beyonce because you know the voice she has and so nibarebe cinde cyo kubasa kutamuka che okiyona changu nonsuro desente tanje
ni banyenda kantu kache just kuntera nke bukatunka kanisa hipu ndena hasigare chinkujwara chona njanjimboneza no cyakubyecha bitano hatunga tambuka
stage hatukaza international stages
ntacwerebye ba Beyonce nkabinka
kwechi nkwanta kwenda no bakutamese ndenji kandi no kwenda kutera ngechiwig kwenda kurebeka nkamuntu mwene nyena ngo gumo myaka yabana nka yaba Jennifer Lopez aho
okwete naza nakuja ngenda chintu echichimo just kanyisote nka hip echo
bito bani bawana nanga Lopez ngwi she had the most sexy body chikaza ichumure chukasa chumure anyway the point is I am thinking like ntubasa kuya sente nyingi ntubasa kukoraje ombyo kwiruka so isn't this mpira because the president had put 1.2 billion izo nesente nyingi Algeria tihanga rukuzabuzo mbyo muzano go mpira kumanya konka I feel like tamani minjo mukwirukana tubasa
umupira tugezeho byayangaye. We are not that much talented.
not that ninteka yangu twakusingirwe konka every time umuzano gw'umupira tugwesibireho munonga kucera kubasa kugwihamu niyo ningira ngo tuteka mano mbyo kwiruka hati at one time numuza kureba umwiruki wa Uganda ayebembire nsiyo ngo kwe twene chikora Uganda
ukamaze magara ngo buri hanga rahanga hino ku yar blessingire
yo to kureza India the cricket
America koraje kucira abandi
America tera mu mupira nayo namandi gayo gora no bwiga
basketball
zihezo hati mpira inaheri
kandi abagira biriki ubwiro bwinje no shanga barya ba Afrika kambo n'abakuriro kwe Black Americans.
So I mean ntutekwa buriyo mayine cyakuba nabasa gukora gihe iki kintu kimanye India nezana cricket yayo amahanga n'umugama bayo mpira n'umuzano gwa Europe n'umuzano gwa Europe na nora na America na za China tuzugwine no kugwesibaho
bari abone bari mbiri bya ninja wari yabyonga.
Therefore I am like Uganda need to turebe twasa gukora gihe no kwiruka. Headline 2026 NRM unveils top organ roadmap. Eyo rikiro kwekuza kuchikora
za seke na za neke na zira.
Echo kiri aho aga nikirungi nchereka direction. Katurebe Sons crash at tribunal amends cause list. Batabana ba former chief justice babiri. Benjamin Katurebe akayabiro MP. Nanondijo oba kweta David Katurebe nangwa tura America mnonga one time tukabugana tukantuganira nkamuhostinga program aha na watuireyo no manyangwe cyabo kirengire it is very interesting agaruru kakasingwa Benjamin Katurebe wabiroye mpenyuma hatwaye bari yo tribunal kubine no wakasha tutine buzaye nabo konka David Katurebe najangu Benjamin akakiba kandi agira ati ikindi arabiro MP tumanye mikorre tayine cyakuza kutuyamba tunogo mukamwihaho mukahondijo arondiro bamweta ntamuhira David Katurebe naje tunobwe katwarwa ntamuhira mweno mukugamba kwabo azira tebitu by'ubwa brothers we know what he can offer, he can't offer anything inkora ni tujimanye kandi kinta waza kwibarira tukazigara tuyabanyabuzare. So it is very interesting ahende najangu nobo bakahenta muhira. But you see, this is funny, this is interesting. Actually, the man Muzarwama would think Mujangu Rekogwa Gemu or your tribe. Kashi ati yagamaye yum silence. I don't know how it got out.
They do happen. Na nishaka kureka ngo tushoborere aha ezeze nchikonkurezi wano gamba ezo organizezo nkaba NRM utushoborere seki neki simanyuki akaruruka twakatire katwakahereze ati road map ezo neza chikache nizironda bayi bone barondwa bayi. In any case, if you know anything about
now, I'm not because I'm not NRM, but at least what I know, Kechivina, Baronda Kachi, Kokovan organizing and English Kashugan, Semmer Moichivina, Rengo we hang, Kechivina,
yes,
she and Chocolate Bajeta top organ. Jang Twena to Atviava NRM could go through one parashe mankahi. Twine Aboktra Mam to Guihang, a junior sake, central. Executive.
Yes.
When nakabondo kachi mwaka mukrim bari abakuchomo then hansi
so nabone besimba baronda karu
kandi umuntu nakwitira hore rumwe mbere umuzando mbyo bwa member wa parliament hato kundu bantu bakwita hanofa na warabarumu you really realizing monetizing bina karga higo because batirema mari to kurecha cha ranga cha the current speaker hariya deba hariya wanu zarwo bikona
the current speaker Anita Mong
niyo president Museveni election chango
hata nawe naronda kare
nibabo
kuzo muri yeje top organ
seki rebero muba Mike Mukura
ba honorable Rukar by the
babo no shoto na Chris bari umusakana enda mu
ndebere na King Siza murenga nawe yaje akanga mwaho
and at one time you will hear bagambira mba basajja baraba barabeka kadraga nguna. So ataho ni kurimu
akachikwa kache akarukwebembera emtebe kanisa yona ya NRM
kugira ngo hati NRM cwiremo abantu baba basitamira
so akarora kabankaterwa delegates ninjira
then hansi yabo atwiza tugira ba national region wagira bigeno basavugishangamo atabona bihanga ryona babaza kuvugana nkanambore ko gamwe nechikunga busenye mba muri bingi ko garo bari abahigura bo kugegena bice bacwa muhura ngo NRM cwiremo korete
tubendeze birungi byonka ejo niyo road map yambagama nabo mbakuronda karura
baza karunda kandi nangwa n'ingisima kuba kukabagira ngo there is democracy nikiriza kuba ukubikorwa byona biri mukatemba y'amani aho kwa nore sende zbatira mu karozi kakita konka the fact that kurugante be kubanza ya chairman acharo kuri wanyu kati norebera chimwe bari bagena bahikaka chika ko kustama mu president serious no ikiriza ngo structures ezironze I think that is a very good sign.
It's a good
injectable ARVs effective in HIV treatment research.
Wow.
This is a step. Aho kwabantu okupopona kwa burizobo kunoshuti kukakutangwi hata bakutere chikatu kandi ubu nico kitwara hakire karingwa mani I'm trying to imagine hata no kwa munana bakutere chikatu wida bashanga ubundi ke kinini cyari
ya
kunga kutari kugira ngo umanyango waye bwangu iriza ngo warenze ya mu dakika
kandi ubu sirimo hero kuretwa turahacwa
wachimanya
so nataka kwasirwe hati na basa kwatwa nyencha kare
wachimanya
mbeno bamba fire real technology
what Ugandans want fixed in education ebyabantu bakwenda ngo bihinduko mbyo bwegese biroho okuchondoza kukozurwe ebyabantu bakwenda ngo bihinduko mbyamagara charite obutwekatano na bushatu bwabanya Uganda bworekire ngu embera nimbi ombyamagara kandi number 1 point borekire ngu taroho bikozesa birukumara nembazi nachi omumarwara raga aho kukireba bakakutumecho bakakutuma kiriye sente zikakuburra nibwo rukumanya ngwensi
abandi gabarahare shaka no kutambura distance ubundi na nabakora mun bace ubundi na washire y'abantu nabo tubari professional they treat you badly so nkebyo
aha nibye benare mu release sec election roadmap mbibi and aha noreba batabanu ba bad katurebe former chief justice Benjamin Katurebe and David Katurebe bachireyo gunwe David and oguguna wazira tinyonke nkabaho mwebembeze nyontura mbantu gwatura hero hata najya ngo abantu nanchiza abantu nyowe kako nayere nateka tangu natura
mene nisima muzire wabo akabere cyo kureberaho n'inshonga gwenshi baryaho yasigara besotinge
yeah they are competent enough to compete let them compete. And I like the way they talk to one another. It's not about brotherhood. It's about doing the right thing. You see? Let us fix the ailing health system. Kuna wea handika. Nkwa kutesa basu. Kandi emberani yejo. Why Ugandans should say Kenya. Mimonana move understanding. President wa Kenya William Samoei Kipchirchir. Arap Ruto. Azeng bwani mashanje chitakwenda garika mukuronde china ndakuza kuburira njiri. Akana ndakuyamba abantu kuzomwiguru.
Mubana baza kucumuha
ashencho naza kubakirangize harimo umunyamajizi takwetaga kuza kurwanya interview aho ebyara bire munabyo apana. President Museveni sends 700 million to support Ugandans in South Africa. I think this is good. I heard the president of this country kugira ngo harabanta hero ko kuba kora bagaruza ka sentomuka kuba kwa yene bigumiro ko ubunda ngo babakwata yo nachi okuba yamba ka government yabe ryomuka. It is key. I thank the president for this. Million rushanju okuyamba abanya-Uganda bari South Africa. Nahayi nabariyo ubundi
bashobaka korra bakazubahera.
Sharo.
Kanisa nerye.
Ruki.
No. Kashike starve sente zirugero muri ki.
Emirimo techiroho yo.
Kare.
Mbene umuntu yagiye korra yo bunana aza korra na ujiji yagarra.
Kandi abantu byanjye. Don't be caught by time.
Uganda's investment platforms impress Japanese auto giant Nibyebi. Ahandi, of course, Papara Rumbinji, Makerere's Diara Semuju was a witty academic.
He's Dr. Semuju.
Oh. Manyere Diara forms that season. Dr. Semuju. Rwanda bees being wiped out by pesticides.
Otyo.
enjoki mpere kutana asanga bahakwira obwoki burume bisasara mbene ndio bwoki obwo najya turuntu ferwa abo kwenzoki
Turesireho deka kwingana busha.
buriyo bwo actually mbine
Tepa nakwishengereza. Sinuka kwingana kate.
eba
Amazi magara ngo butuye no mutawuni no bur manufactured.
mukanda tuwatandwa kusishe mbo twatwine
Mbega
ubu maduka nyuti wetegereza my husband surprises me with guests what should I do
They are too much, they are too many. No takahindure hijogo
nahinduka arambe ko kwataho piro ye ngobo wizana umjeni kutaya waga mwenu mushwere omwe nahiza kurugaho nashobe
Apana mujuruzi bareke kutuhenda nebikoze so mukatumbitireyo konkano leta abagenyi burdacika ngo n'abanywana bawe burdacika mbiteka bigwayo tugaruka tureba namisho
bitu nabagaro no bikuba biri ngo takwenda kuteka nayo kanvajo nimbijo so I don't know why biro kongo kwata kuteka it is
majane ketahwetamba konka kandi kuba too much n'ababibizira mu binji
one time we shall be here turuganira nshongejo kandi tulakwira kujiganira kugira ngo abagenyi bashemeye kwingana bati ekikumo
baragume no leta abanywana bawe hakaziramo wande baje nabwo no ija kutebeza aho barara
barashobora ndakomera mukamwe ntoruza chachi toruza mukatare toruza musaruni
nimba ngira chachi
yeshira kana baba yo bakureba
ngo mukanura nimba ndi aho nshitame nabere nyeterereze ndi aho cece kuri ya mind nebe yine che focusingire kunkaha kandi bo bija baguma mbanshango mukambanshango mukanyetebekanise they will also think otherwise so mberete
kare mutwikirize zo mukahumuro twine Dr Benjamin Musida ntwenda kureba ko umuntu yakubasa okukakanya n'unyankorere Charite mbona ta Charite niyo manye ndiminoro n'uruganda rwawo
shana wateka ngo rya harubudo FM
ntwenda kureba tinchine mu konka ebikirizi omuntu akabasata om business kugira ngo ebikirize ebi no bawatandika gati bajya ngo dore shumire rero manya ngo ibintu bitembere ati nkije abantu bagura umwana
cyane kweta risk management okay
ebikirize bikwija bikatugwera ati nkije abantu bakashopinga umwana I mean n'abashubuzi bagura umwana gwa miliyoni 10 yaguro eshawuti yabe yaho umwana gwa gube ati miliyoni 10 yanza guguzana ama miliyoni 5 icyo tikabaga business
how can you manage that
hatebyo
so management of
kayembe byakira kudiringa nabyo electronics nabaso kutagwerwa kagwe nkako no maguru culture yereme bugwereza bingi ke
ari wayine ziriya za kamera zikwata abantu baba takanantire batakatahire wawe kwiba
ayinebyo nangwe betu munonga nka ayinebe TV byo kusanga mu mabaga nkebyabe byo mukiniro kaceka atiyo cyuboryaha byo magana kurebera umukono
shashita ngore mbaceta batakayemba
kayemba takwenda gamba ukatunore birebi
fresh agamba munonga flaxi muri yo mtawu no nkanga hiyo
Charite reka kutebeze kintu
mwana yabacho
abantu bakari bagito hata mikoro
twakugendera khendera
hati tubaciciriza abantu kubariko bakabahagingana nakuhaginga kujya gusiga mu rubajome mbazi hati nabamwe bine business bakunda uzigamba aho kuba kubihurira tubakushemera nakora hunamingwe
ekirungi njegambira twahumura tsakwa tugaruka na Benjamin Musita turi kureba ha risk management kwa trina business okabasa kurwana sota ebishikirizi ebyakubasa kwambika aha business yawe utakargaho neshonga kuri twana tuwe business bano yeshongora obano cecera obano gira ki zona ni business katumure tugaruka nawe utargaho yaba y'umwana wishomero
wareba umwana w'ishomero ruyari ayinenda none umanyangu ine cyakogwa either abazire bakitandika ningo umwana yakiyetandikira bari kuyamba ababo tukweta ba traditional healers omwana abumwe no basa kushanga omuntu already nkebiti ninge bishaka ninge byuma biriyo yes ninge shushanga munyinende hutiri abo ko mushahuri trained takuza kutaza inenda nishanchi manyisa ngo wageza aho kugira ki kwihamwenda namuno munenda yayebihiremo nebasa kutahenderezire abscess ningashishitwa yeta amahibizimba birimwe amahira so nishanchi manyisa ngo omuntu yija amaziro bwira yesherekire na ijari kubimunonga so kwa kujari kubimunonga nishanchi manyisa ngo inoko yageza kugira ki okwagezo kweshereka abo kwa namanye cyakozire konga tubahiga wano manyango ine cyokoze nabo gikaho oyikirira bashaho babase kutasa magaragawe bukirikare tukugira ngo umuntu yaji amutura mu managing nga ariho kutasa magara yes enda yarugiremu ninga inenda yarugamu konka tune kutasa magara go mucyara buzima nicuba kiri kirungi utakarujiro mu igwariro ugendane obuhereza bwa family planning aho kona jango obuhereza bwe buri mu harimo miringo eyo kumara gwire buringwa ari eje tukweta long term ko buheto bwo mu mikono once yo mu mikono nitutamwa emyaka 3 na emyaka 5 akanchi maisa na bodu boko y'umwana w'ishomero ona shwata make 5 wata make 5 waza kusemya myaka 5 no butamanyire cyo kweta arake akumuri nyinenda akakumara emyaka 10 arishikato cha depo eche buri myaka 3 so otakaruje mu igwariro nitukushomesa unikirunje genda no muringo ngako kwanga tukujema mbrire natirisi no bano wagenda no buhabuzi kandi ko kuba wayiko marwaraga bari hiyo ma health centers nabo bine family planning message zezo so warwo mu igwariro bakukoriro kashango tagenda no muringo nyabura wikiririrwa reri kuri hihi abuko method zezo zirimo kugira ngo abase kugirenda yayitebekanisize ahabo kwako kugirenda otagitebekanisize noza kuje kitekateko cyo kubasa kwihamwenda kandi eco naco n'ikihagaro ari ruhanga of course ni wowe nkanko umuntu hinebi obuzibu okubasa kurugiramo mweno kwerinda ebyo leba ngo wayikirira abashaho bakosa family planning wabanoreba ngo ryahabunkenke go kufuna enda eyotetebekanisize
nyinga kano kazare tifuba abo kwakazirwe
omwana yazagwa tayine mushango omwana yazagwa nabo wa community so omwana wazagwa nabatine mushango so kandi ko wagizirenda utageze aho kujihama yehangane oshabe ruhanga omwana no hangana wako mukuhire we natahembera iyo mwana arabeho kandi nabwo naho amuziro tamunaga kanga utamunaga heru ningashoka munaga umutoyire hakiri ikinde bigombe ibikuyamba abacara omwanya kugira ngo onago mwana aboko mwana oguno ne cyangwa cya ruhanga
Simuka TV West shahemo kusasha 3 no twabantu tutandika aha kandi ko kuna nakugambire Dr. Benjamin Musita wambara University of Science and Technology kandi akwedinga projects nyinyi na kushoneza umutendikira ganda gatarigamenaga ibintu bi economics no twinaha today morning specifically tureba umuntu kwakubasa okumanaginga risks on business risks katubete bichizi okubasa kwerinda bichize bigwera business for instance abantu bari bashobora umwana okwe parliament yitu yacwire muno bimanyizo umuntu abaguzura umwana yagutire miliyoni nka 20 gwashera gwagwe bay hati yaza kuguza the same coffee ushanga takuziya mu ngubandicendera. Now what kind of business is like that? So on business ebyo bintu biraba namunonga when it comes to I think agriculture iyo mwenu fluctuations zayo zirihigo kongana nahandi hona ibintu bigube inachi. So ntwenda kumanya businesses umuntu how best can we manage risks. Your business ukimanye kugira ngo your business but risks are there, then the best way to manage them no twazota no kurota. Doctor, good morning once again.
Bari munonga mujurizi kandi okumpa hakagishagamba no mu Uganda nimbaramutse ho kushanga muri ya TV West ni kitware mbabazaranga kushanga ngo omukasheshe nkomu yuwafuna hakagisha ko kurebe GTV abamwena abasako bari yakitandogora kwanikire ushanje ngo agwiye nko accident abandi bari mu mbera zitakushana zitabikiriza kushanga ngo bene baza kushoma nk'igishaha kandi kushanga ino bo mugisha nkitwara mbabazaranga wanobuza business joberi risks nizigenda zita onchereze joberi ninjagamba nka economist but from the spiritual perspective.
I think that is scaring. An economist from the spiritual perspective when no ndagama nka pastor ninga nka nkomufu
nkomuntu akwana no mfumu nawe nargo mu spiritual thing.
Ayo spiritual
idea tukuvidiringa nabi from the spiritual side and on the spiritual side ko kushanga abantu how do we manage risks arachiboza chitkuba arebintu bishatu ebikuguiding omuntu wena arukora business ninga shari kwenda kugira hiyazo umunso ko kuba mujuruzo kagiroti nyenda kuza point ndio nindaga point A ninza point B nyine business age nyenda kujikora ndebuke ngo nahikama go baga miliyoni nka 10 buri kwezi arebintu bishatu ebikuretera umuntu yabe cyane icho kubanza chabyona noija kunyambaho think about the difference between purpose and assignment muri nyankore no bitanisa
purpose in my understanding umkwetegereza kwanje purpose nechi are kigendererwa
regenderwa ningo kwetu kanchete nko kwetwa muri nyankore nkwenda kweza kare nyonketwa kuba mushomesa ni purpose yanje mu nsomo no bushomesa konga assignment
necho hirwo gukora mu bushomesa because ndi umushomesa wa economics tinka aba mushomesa we byamagara ibi bintu nyanyira tubishobora kurwo muri side nketwa kuba umushomesa my purpose on earth is to be a good teacher. Yes, njamwacheteje
abantu ukurabira mu bushomesa
tarabire mushubuzi akaba umushomesa kushomesa konga nano mu bushomesa haruhwecho cyenyine cyaro kushomesa ashikutansa nondijo
ijomba jeta assignment.
So we are seeing now the difference hagati ya purpose
and assignment.
At purpose cyaba chango like a calling
ni call mpango then assignment yoketwa ninkaba ntabavuritse benjiri haraba kweta evangelists bari mu Bible harumba apostles nabo barumba
nangwa no twakuza ngo
mushaho
hato bushaho ubona na doctor but harega gynecologist harho umutwe
harho
hata I think ejo ni aba assignment
oketwa kuba mushaho kuvugana mujurizi tumweta doctor mujurizi konkani doctor wachi
exactly.
So hata munsomo umukutandika ko umuntu wena the moment you don't define your purpose risks zako banyinji uramuntu kutomera wena business ninkora business oburukundebera because I run different projects nivuga musente konka ko kubano bukora demo ijo baryo rukwimuka ukatana ho neke kiryo mareni yawe trouble
hati oriono kinareba you narrowing something kugira ngo ebintu no gumano byamisho
iworyo no geroti roses aba roses nkamanaging anta risk some business yanje is it true mujurzi okay to kuriso nkoko every day mujurzi kwatwire narga omukaye nabana ko nabasa kubana retombe ito mushahara tumuronja harukora konga mujurize nargomuka
Tingmano kuwachima.
No, in 2021 complaining, I qualify to be a professor. I can't promote injury. To your moment, and I to me to a
You see, for your case, doctor, we can look at your age and the name of professors have always been ordered. Wait, be patient.
I don't know, Shangani, the inquiry you could about professor, but was a watching about Hassan Ninji. Because to be a professor, you should prophesy. But most of them are confessing, and it is a dangerous thing. So, majority umuntu when I come business, you work on business. Why muko kashanga ngoma jingaga?
Buri kimwe cyora no
ninza kwejo kurebero. Majority na argumuka. Ubwabi nakora TVG. Abana bene bashoma tabaka babingaga ishomero. Majority zomuka ayina haru kurara. Majority ayine ntambara. No mar hemotoka na ntambara. Nebitane ibintu ebyo ayine intambara no kugira ngo uhine miniza zo kusiyamura but it's not a good car so mjore za ine intambara
nibaza ubiri boda you know beyond
mjore za ine intambara mjore za dede nakuyihaha ngakutwara out of your purpose tukafute ko business nuza kwebuza kandwire nindeba nankana asika capata abantu ba customers na baterara ini nangwa no wanje kana baterara ini kunke bizubo wanje ka byabe bizubo mujuru satandike ku balancing ibintu byomuka arebe takwi mujuru zi ato wa mweto yonoza kuma how to manage risks identify the right suppliers ushimukano manya suppliers abaronje ne bahi ushimukano manya shahe sumushanzu kureta murumo kuko mjuru zitubenture bo mwa TV narga ho karataha but his family has been surviving tayine sente zirya account zibyami kunka ba family energia abana nabazayishumira bashoma kandi mjuru zintambare natambara now the day you're kwimkokaza ukadeviating from your purpose trouble will come. So how do we manage risks on businesses? What were you called to do?
But chucho ngati changu kumanya ngu you are called to do this. Because no re doctor
niza kwejo kurebera. Kana rajara university in 2015 nkagraduating ebirabira na chimwe byo kubanza. Mugondo ga university the first degree. Ebirabira na munana byo kubanza in 2015. Mukuru wanje with my cousin brother yantera tija nkwechi nkomurumo kana berasi yahubira bucenko mu kwezi kwa kashatu nkana benya prengera ha mubuzi kuba mushomesa mubuzi yambe barangwira ko zamurumo zo gukora ebaranazo nagihayo najoreka mukuru wanje ko yagerebera ati umutawo nomu warebere mu kizimbe cyandikiro professor so and so. How many buildings do you know on the street of Kampala? Ebero professor so and so. Ninga shoka mango professor nanga no mukama weche kizimbe kiri Kampala street. Akachimbuza kancheting out of love. Omukukunda. Abashomesa tebine sente. Rino nyategereza. Ebara nagereta neyo murumo. Tabashomesa tebine sente. Knachi bazdirem. Bara najiteka najiri. Tana reporting ambire ukaguri ugwa part time. I didn't report on time. Now, umunsi yamkama muharumu Moses ukushisha iwasho mastori ya Moses ukwe na tamza Bisirayeli rahanga kamwita. Kamdora nakasuza kajatkara Nigeria atkonga torashiyo. Haruno ndisho kushisha Jona akaretera business z'abantu zafa amezi bakashika kumutamba kamu out of God zimasi chenyanzo chikamutwara Nineve ebyo bintu hano bitanze rahanga ino kwa kutwaza ibintu umwe nashisha bamuchiriza by force bamugarra hiya ashime kubari ondija shisha bamwita Rono rengo spiritual people will explain more habwachi Moses namwita habwachi Jona nawe yashisha nkuko yana mtwarumwa ajat this is where you are supposed to operate from akanga konka kamuchiriza akamugarre ibyo no kubishobora. Now some of us are like in the areas of Jonah that even if we don't want to be somewhere, we are carried by his mercy to be where we are supposed to be. Abamwe nabarekayo nyonka kikana kuzo muchome because of deviating from my purpose. Because the nejo company kina jugumeremo obwere bucabe ibahe ibintu neruka ndi muchome. Hunajira muchome nkigukamisho.
I think this man is gradually becoming a preacher. Ariyo nakurata ebigere bya President William Samoei Kipchirchir araputo wa Kenya. I think yaheze getamu yarumwe kitakuza kushaba ndizo na ndakuza kuburira njiri. I'm seeing a doctor here who is also the
life is spiritual. Nothing kushobora, and I'm using my personal experience. Ngahendera antandi muchome. Kana rejele nto muchome kana bendum. Nubena mento muntu ahendo ni nkora. This is not my core.
You are spiritualizing things.
How do you manage risks? The number one objective is your purpose. You get wakora chumunso. The moment you do,
now, some of us may not face jail. See, I've been in this thing, maybe in church change. Ati norebi wabgana mechome wabi connecting.
When gamba, some abamwe never fair you. Njona kuburazanti nchitware babazaranga nyenda someone who is like who is spiritually ranked higher. Anshobora bwachi Moses bakamwita. Kandi Jona bamuchereza bamugara. But bana akaba kozereche bakaba ryenshobi. Hitting the rock twice eba kuja ngoje gambire. To me it was tomorrow even compared to making people lose their businesses on the sea. Nyona ninchuweinga from the physical perspective. Ninyebuzanto Jona kuretera abantu baruzinga business n'abamizi. Bakabona paketa baranga babo ibintu bakahwamo bakahika ku casting roads kugira ngo bamanye no hakore nshobi hatumunjirize mu nago mezi bakamuchereza bakamugarrayo hashugwa ya ubagira ngo he speaks to the rock ngakagitera nubagira ngo kana ntoragikimo numurambo bagubuza ngo turumugure se bintu byarangaho inyendo wo mu ntara kunsharaho anshomese kwa bwaci hata nitu haraba kuza abo kugira ngo mukama abo kugira ngo nakukunda ngo zo Satan area nija kuchiriza kugarreyo by force so ndiyo mbomba bamwe out of God's mercy unizire nkeshanga nazankahi but you cannot manage risks will always be there noja kuferwa ibintu byawe nibiza kufana bicocerera noja kurugaho guzene bibanja byawe birete bife obito mu business efe why abo kugira ngo tokumanya iyo munsomu okayitwa korachi
doctor hariho echabantu batwene bagamba which relates to what your brother said. Your brother said when ba professors bangabo kumabine morals abina kids abine businesses kuboominga. Now was on business world abantu abashomere imwe bakora ekintu bageta cost benefit analysis abo kubara ina hati mwe numba mutine bintu biryaho toyino kubaza kurambuza komyo techa kwe akedi no gireba izimani konkimana mbara ndandikisa abandi actually nabari abo kwiza bakasucceeding on business abinyini ba dropping out of the universities nobo akureba global scene ba Bill Gates ba Elsevier now hati imwaba baramunonga boko hatuwaza ku reducinga kuza kwika kujoti me am called to do this hati no izo ubugiro mu campus wo mu university professor wa economics nobo kusomesa Harvard
shango umuntu atine ibintu bijya
tubakwija Kampala ngo bagiye haza hati norebeji nankejiza kedi zandi cyamazina gabantu hati it is believed world over ngo umuntu rukwenda gukora business takwetaga kubara ejembare yawe jeje yo nogamba bono batomere ibintu byabo wona agenda jya tunaza kushubure byenyanza atandika. So people who go to China kureta business abo kureta containers tubashu
hata kankwizere hari ikintu cyo the spiritual world ari cyo gutanga ims errors change
pardon
hari ikintu cyo kweta ims wacho mwenza kutugamba nta errors o emyaka rikanjirente emyaka negumane hinduka omuntu yafire 2020 omukwezi kokubanza wamureta hensi nemushobera artificial intelligence internet of things robotics bihinduye ense turiyo ntukoramo noho umuntu acine sente hari ibintu bitanu actually biri mu sente birebe umuntu wenda ku investinga mu technology nakutunga sente umuntu wenda ku investinga mu energy iby'amashanyarazi naza kutunga sente rero nchenga ebi ekisera ningashi ebiro byabireberoho byo kugira ngo umuntu atarashomere nazo mu business na surviving zamorebe mshorito batireho ibirebi
wait hari umwana wanje tugane yesterday on 4th of August yesterday I know ndijo mwana wabe naruga China bimwe binte byabarese uri umuntu bw'umunju mu kamera buri muki agize ngo bakwatira chai mwena ari kumugambira ati mbashobore ngo ibindi byanjye byo muka kamera z'umunju naciye tubajya kuzire zo munzu twarahibire zindo zireka abe nagira ubwo wenyine agambiro gwa umuntu arikwenda kusurvivinga ariko muri yebaze kurisa because yo haciri y'ubwici business azanye
ni kushobora era yo kugira ngo tukantwara free range system ori senya bushozi yagira umushana tubufuricho zoku eje kaheza yako abemba tunga sente abemba koramo nomadism ubu bwire bukeza bwa
furuka nenyamisho
hati zachifuruka noshango mpakemo tukazorondera hamwe obwire bwo kugira ngo abatarashombere bazagubana ba surviving on business obwire buryo bukwerire ho cumwe kugira ngo hati waza kwetegereze ati nco ndakanisha brother wanje uri yakiyangambire abantu bine bizimba street you will trace them noza kushanga bar degree holders noza waba tracing baryo ministry so and so beine capacity yo kwiba senti kuija kwihama aba baryo mu business na wayenda kuturemesezamo nduza ku rugazo rabo mu URA tugera bitwagura tuje tukubare mushoro tukubingemo era yabatarashomere okoguma mu business eriyo nehwera wacho
you can confess and testify
icyo ni kugambera move on the streets of Mbarara ugende no buze no gende no buze no gira ngo icyo kizimba cicine akashomesa abana bine masters actually no bariyo ba running a business ejo era eriyo nehwera wacho nagurukari cyo twine muhete gishayite ibari yo kugira ngo banzo yirukanjiroko hakiri opportunity hari yo breathing space no recente zawe ushanga wije wazuguza hatina kushabira umushora afamu kongebye ebirebyo nabyo nibyenda kwija kwo why turiyo ntwebuza abwacu umushoro agurukari cyatakuje no manyango agurukari cya ne contributing on 300 billion a revenue Uganda out of the 32 trillion za collecting your URA last financial year ubwo mwaka gwira agriculture contributed 0.8%.
Can you imagine?
Very little. Haturiyo URA area no yabuza how do we enter into this informal sector GM center ebirumbe gumane bihinduka aims change errors change tukubantu hindure bintu bakujango nakasente kachiriyo mu real estate kachiriyo kungaba kwenda sente sha hedge njyamu no kwijo tayero no kore bituriyo tuza gukora tekwa njendebe ko nije kubaho ka documentary muje mukwate bitukora turiyo tutaha habwaci ntobasa kosa technology wota kugenda nensa heryo neza umuntu wena atakwinvestinga mu rye bintu there are 5 businesses nza kuja kuba nashobora ija kumbakira nshobora the 5 businesses that must work in 21st century sha hedge zuru if you are out of those
Uganda or elsewhere
globally na Uganda jituru president nachara kugambira ngo bishaka bukaho pani bishaka bicuru but you cannot go in the forest of Congo ukarwana urutaro in 21st century ukarsinga the bush walk can no longer survive in 21st century why ahuru kugera hanzo muchaka umwana nanka ine kamera rina kurebera higu najerito Afrika uriyomba Rwanda turiyo nturwana hatunoshanga America n'aba Russia barya kweze nibatureba nko nanka ubusinzi
space
so you can no longer hide
because we are sometimes space race
kabitari kizubu
now we are in a space kind of
now na ndio nikishobora. Now if you don't define where the world is heading inserioneza isha hedge, how will you manage risks? Na ndio nikishobora ibintu byanje bishatu.
You have confused me today.
I have to bring you back to my understanding.
You are winning me on the ground that the spiritual element is ati nanye kamfutebeze chakchare because we are conversing interacting. A friend of mine agira business yakura ina head. She one time Korea tag ibintu birumfanicho izo nde. Tware kusihantu ni uramburo juti. Furniture as in furniture, I've talked about furniture average.
Yes.
Mwenu ngo mutayira mutayira bambagarira mujeti. Hata iwahi kanwetaga ibintu bishatu. Ibintu bishatu byaburijo kakamujeti nwetaga amafi yo mu government nwetaga umuntu ari spiritual to guide you. Icyatashatu cyane ngo mu kunga kuna buri nanye bikankanga.
But you are very right now. You are back on the track. You need a spiritual person to guide you because to protect any business, it must be protected. Because let me tell you, Mujurs, no one succeeds by mistake. No one. Umusom taramuntu wena aryaho ngo no mugeiga haza tine chikumurinda. You are either you believe in Jesus Christ or oryo musalamu murunje no barako no manya kubareze ishara zabe ziziba kushaba
Muhammad atwire niwe
ningashi oine nkabachwezi bawe ninge manu rwazo kurinda business. No one succeeds by mistake. And there are two words which are spiritual. You are either belong to God or you belong to the devil. There is no middle ground. Haro middle ground. So omuntu weno warebe sente kuarene jana kugambira mbachira kwijaba batugambira hata me from the spiritual background. No wisho kangambira no manya you must balance your income statements or even financial flow, measure risks. This is now from your perspective.
Yes.
I rough. This is not Africa. Africa to survive and have a booming business. Ask me at my workplace for you to come out and shine. There must be something.
I'm trying to connect this with what we normally read. Twetagiye munemwe one urabagiga nkaba Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, bagambira Illuminati nabe bagireta hato yibuza this man has been working. Because I have been reading about the other man who started Apple, former Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs. Mbakujangwa akaba yahere chiro mayasazinga manye mwenu bamwa
they connect to the world you cannot access. Which a a distinctive person, umuntu who is distinguished. Na nature chibuzo ninchira kuchebuza bulizo. We are all lecturers. We have lecturers of economics, but what separates me from any other person? Chune chibuzo chinkwebuza bulikamu amurumo gwanje, and every day I try to distinguish myself. Every day. Kinkwikanta amurumo. Yes, God okanyetangu mbomshomesa. But from this word, from here, Mbarara, I need to make many people leave their countries by Jama Shangimbar. Because na doing shobore into bisha twebyo kugirango umuntu could defining a business kugirango or avoiding risks. Number one, know where what you are called to do. Kwa manyangu yoketo kuteka mandazi. Kwa rukusa ku expanding a business, you entrust it with people who have that same core. You don't run it yourself. Benjamin anaenda kuzomunde ni ndio murisa wente nyo wor kurebera. Ijo barindi kubanye enda kugurento mukatari. Haro banywano banja babiri. Umwe yatarundi jo nabaro nuwende kugenda nawe. Nkamore kanti nyine jana miliyoni 20 zonka. Nyendente akikamako narebe nyena abantu abarisa na bamayibindi gama narebe atagente na yamatembani. Umbuza matembani niki? Utishe agizeire kuzara umwana ukagaruka ukamuzaho ukazare nyina ubanonye tegereza ago namatembani najireba ato muri isajimanye. Now me from my economic background I cannot see that. Na mujurize nakutwara ngakore kente intelligent namatembani to kajimanye kunko muri isa najimanye hat kor kuba wor kubana nda ku expanding what we call diversification in business. You call those who are qualified to be there to lead them. Those who were called to in that purpose and assignment to help you. You work with the diversification. There you are avoiding risks. Think I to aramkatari nke gurrent. With my experience in Asiam, think as a gur. Ninza kutwara umurisa zarirwamo, atwire nazireba, antware agerati Benjamin Goreje ntatunarebye byayo. Now mean nyoni ndiza kureba ukunyerera kwintambire. Warebe bisya. Tanagicenga amaguru gayaga. Agerene tambrat atejente ne mobere matinta yaye kagitera. Mujurizi tukabireba. Accept why you don't know to be late.
Okay, program ni simuka ati
we are avoiding risks.
Ariko you are complicating everything. Kugira ngo amwirwa byo n'umuntu naza kusigara tabona jya gutora. Because byaguma byona. Kazumka umuroka che program tugeta simuka turi TV West kandi tukigaruka kugumiza muri kiganire.
Nehinda
The search for Miss Uganda 2025 is on. 6 regions, 1 crown. Who will be Uganda's next beauty queen? Catch all the glamour, inspiring stories, and entertainment in the journey to the crown. Every Friday to Sunday at 8 p.m. starting 27th of June only on StarTimes Makula Chika. StarTimes special reward. Subscribe for 2 months or 2 weeks and get upgraded 2 bouquets higher. Miss Uganda 2025. True Ugandan beauty. Sponsored by V&A Sherry, Vaseline, New Home, Xiaomi, Antico Safari Lodge, Sheraton Hotel, Print Creation, Richer Hand Uganda, Chira Motors, Balesino Industrial Park, and the lead sponsors Tianal Furniture Manufacturing. Excessive consumption of alcohol is harmful to your health. Strictly not for sale to persons under 18. Drink responsibly.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wherever you are, whatever your reason, it's on SuperSport all season long. Get and stay connected to DSTV Compact and GoTV Super Plus with Kawiki available on DSTV and GoTV.
Program nitujeta sisimuka TV West dakika zitu za bashatu nina yes bashatu nina zarenga mu shahemu tukiryanye ne Dr Benjamin Musita twize kureba umuntu akayetatarate bishirize bwera business ukaba watamese nde nyingi zikafa. And when you talk to most people aho ati umwako gwa wire investing muri yebi byafa narigero kwe napange doke ebyuma byemotoka byafa. I have a friend wachi aguzita career ya mesente nyingi atandike spares zona naje mutarihiremu kunkawaza kumbuza this is a format cha who niza kuna herze naganira n'abantu banyamwe sente zo mbyomere ya stocking amasaze bihimba ibinyobwa zafa hati mwenu ebyo byo tuturamo
aza nanyaka karum kagamba tindi mukiraho nkazombushomesa ningambira ubwire bwanje bunabandizeho ndukubanza nkazo nyobo kunde bera wampa ko makemiti ninsharoro baho tokachishiriza
okanywa hunga buri bakubanu ba
baro tukutekera nanka aho hera ho munanku umwisho kandi jera university because I don't know how to be poor. That is my culture. So before ntaka manyire chindi manyamujuri zuko kubori amuromo gwa iserwamo you do it with ease.
Kashi tiye comparative advantage.
Yes.
Young economics.
The moment you amanya where you are good, where you incur the least cost, okachikora you do things with ease. Noza kwebuza tubisha bakora rose zo mu nkoko bazikora bata. Why that's where you are called to be. You easily learn things. tinga kugambira how I found it easy to study hambuzo tukemerera ukakora there is job barimo imyaka 2 nkakora programs eshatu nazeza degrees eshatu nazitapa ungani ndo mwana ari struggling ngane mumbuza nti how why it is my purpose you can't be me when you try to imitate me life will be hard
ataho kumwa kwiciriza cyo tumwagwisize na beji kuri mu class ugati norewa ichat
manya bana noije oshango mwana yije ato mwana ijakije kuri economics yazaho ati nyowe ebe bintu banzere mukijaha ngo bakanyuma kosi yanje engineering banjera ngo nisha nkaporengo mu economics bajimpa awurde ninza kwizira nkore change of course ngarako mu engineering yanje kongaka mujurizi nakweta tulidu umeme as the best engineer nanka wagamasha Uganda Electricity Distribution Company nondi jo muntu akakweta to bwa governor na permanent secretary wa finance urenda kwechi
yonke bibiri babinyetera byona n'ibyango
iginemero meshatu ari bwa governor bwa Bank of Uganda ari permanent secretary and secretary the treasury wa minister of finance then bakurondero omurimo bronjo ku engineering ngo muhango ninga the best yendo kurre murago kantora shomero bobushaho you know enda kurre hecho muriye. The first 2 jobs are led by economists. Now, ngabuzo mwana nti okuba governor, let's choose the best. You know enda kubashi. Of course of all, no kubiri no jorot I want to be the best entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs no bakuritinga businesses bakakuritinga emiro bakakora abandi. But wakuronda happiness erinkai. BSST nabona mnonga because I never into binji bya government ngawampa bwa governor ena kutimpango compared to abando kuba struggling. So ngabuzo mwana engineer unaenda kutembe miti y'amashanyarazi enda gukora ki no engineering sciences bakazongera imishara but how much it's a delusion. You are delusion to stay on that job. Kunga wakwetegereza sente noza kushanga business zo krinji but in businesses we need to know what we are called to do. Kwa eserwa na no engineering ushimgano manya nketwa kan kebyoma by'amashanyarazi ninga nketwa kutembe miti. If you don't define it you will suffer. Abantu bona bakufindinga risks of business abinja borukore babo they don't know what they are called to do. Kuba kwa bakimanye nishi babesero gukora they don't know their assignment. Above all korukweza kumanya assignment wamanya purpose. Hari cyo bakweta vine. You need to define your vine. What is the vine? Ndiyo mshomesa ngeitwa kushomesa economics kunkashi mkani nshomesa zankahi. Now the vine is a place of operation.
But you see what you are saying, doctor? Finally, you're just limiting people to try things.
Panda.
Because
I'm telling them to try. I have multiple things I'm doing. I'm a consultant. I had different things. I'm a cattle keeper. I'm a farmer. Think of us verakore bibinte binde ninkora. Kunkani njantu kuwa abo inortochi. Tingwe nashanga mjurizi ariyo nakuriye nkonya ikifabantiza kwendekerayo hinatwire namakuzukura mureka koro mu rumogwe kwenda nafutana ka business yemyenda rundo mu ntaji twire mu yari yo kujukurana injira ukaguma no yongeraho run it that way kiyabe mpango ronde people who are called to run those businesses hari abantu abayeserwa kore jemero nandi ni kudefine injere kintu cyamuherumanya nebintu bishatu bibinani dio ni kugambara. The vine is the place of operation. A season came nyonka tanchira kora mu 2015 kijaho mukwezi nkajya mundu like later alone kokwe ndukuzo mu kwa munano bwentandika kora kunga kinizere kora. A season came arme when na kujesa ara ibintu binde bikusero. There is what we call designing seasons. How long are you supposed to be in this TV? Should be clearly defined by you. Kabandi ya mubuzi, when you look at things from the perspective of human, mwana wako verebero umbuntu. Tibu kukora makuru. Omwaka gwen kumi birabir na gumwe. Nkatana ka PhD nkumi birabir nebiri. kubera binebero ko kubanza mubuzi yampromotinga yambo lecture kandi assistant bayinkuriza ngo mushara gwanje bakana banshashura scholarship South Africa ekeri ya milioni za 8 season ekija me who understand the spiritual part na mayangu it is the right time now to live bara university advertising ya advertising go buri muntu ngo gumwe no gwa lecture same salary but the season came when I was convinced that it is time now to leave moves onage scholarship onage promotion never akushomiso berekeho ogenda murumo gundi it is hard nkashitama nabantu abakomanya businesses abakomanya ki bashitamisa bankonvincinga I couldn't understand what they were speaking because I was convinced spiritual. It was a season to leave. Now, as place of operation, if I had stayed in Mobs, I would still be a lecturer, I would still be a doctor. Konka would be somehow limited because in Mbarara University it was a bit divine, nanka virgin in terms of economics. It is a booming economics. I like where problems are. I like where people are starting than where people have been. Because I've been able to be opportunities zokura. Kusinga warga wanjiroti ukushomesa make university as a lecturer of economics na nabakugira ngo batanchire Bunyoro University kuze kuba lecturer of economics. I'd rather be in Bunyoro University
and start it
because there are opportunities of growth.
The
vine no vine it is a place of operation. Abantu nabaguza spare parts za magari kungiyo ketwa kuzuguriza rubindi ninga kazo. The day you shift from kazo urukuruza spare parts za magari ukazita rubindi rangata rakwese rekora rubindi you will find struggle. Aba customers nabaza kubura nibeja kurogerayo ntako bari ibintu bingi ushanga na business wabo ine yaho. So you need to define where are you supposed to operate from. It doesn't matter how good I am.
So that means echo kiramanyisangu omwana omwe advices abandi okwabura kw'abantu kurugo
toka kukuratira you need to read things from other lenses. You are supposed to have someone who is there as a mentor in the area of operation. Ubori ativa ni expecting gushimko ino muntu mutivom ningo mutive ndije urukurebero otikinda kana kubaranga yanje rembabaza I want to be like so and so. The day you reach an organization and you are not seeing anyone you can be, you either become an example of others.
Okay. Ebintu ebi ntwetaga kugumiza mekiganiro echo oguntu murundi akwati cyahwayo nyesiga ngima abantu batureba n'ukimanya seriously. Dr. Hendera jiro bugambo bwasigira bari
yoro kutureba TV nkashoma economics ninje tegerezaho kace tinkujimara yona konkanye nakindi kwetegerezaho ngiyo murisa ninkora businesses ame consultant n'ebintu binje binkuba ninkora kongo ebintu kuza kubishikaho taro umuntu wena akuba cyo mugasho munsomo akabecho kurebera ho cyabandi atine what they call anorta taru anorta urtari atine handa har kwesherika akashabar hangawo taru hatagira umuntu yakubiya atunyo gukundeba umuhe arkubiya ngo takushaba takuzaho mfumo ebe bintu birata kubikora konkare na surviving amuhe season nje chikuza kumutwara myaka 3 noshanga business ekabo neho no mare na bominga ikara ngunanga ka innocent zawo because it did not have something that guards it. So yetegereza ebe bintu biza kuyamba
yabare mnonga Dr. Benjamin Musita owambara University of Science and Technology kandi umwegisa economics nyenda kusimiwe ubutugumire niyo nore program ejo kurugashaye mu twatanu ko kusiya majingwaga kandi cyagumizamo nangwa even after this program simuka zakusanga twine program zindi zugumizamo turi activist Dr. wabare kujana kwegesa ebitkubantu tugamba nikibasa kusigara yo yongere kuteka munonga but always the decision is yours okuchwamo kwa muheru kubasa kuryo kwawe kwegenga kureba tukireze tugarikira aha activist neguzamna program Nehinda
kamuzaye ibisinsino nakakushyibwaho
cyenda ngo nywe kabiriti wamara kunywa kabiriti n'uburira waba kurungi amagara gona waba kabiriti.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
amazima go musheija no garebo gweina katungireho witu bikaterera bitu wetahindukaho kuyabeire nankunda haza kongeraho namfaho takwikiriza kabikona kumpikaho nidushitama tuhanura tukwatanisa duhikirize bitwatisa nimurinda risize nanye takirarinda mpaka nahisa ejini rukunda y'abantu betenga ruhanga kakusimanta mutazimura n'abani ndote kiroto canje mutakita bambe
ai mawe
katerera tinje tworora
ai nunu
yakashumo rukunda netwara
ai mawe
kasingura mukazano kazara
ai nunu
yakashumo rukunda netwara
obwesije bw'omukazi n'obureba woli omuceneeseho obwengamba ntuzirwana kumweta kunsigaho nyabo ashima number 1 soja nakirarukaga mushwija niwe nyanja ninye cyenyanja eshirukunde nuranye we kanshobera neshemeza amagara tukabaza kwajura twatambura hati lave kakura chakwera wanjo bumbwenu nankundisetsi namagoba yaberi bizinesi nimukunda basi nyowe mumpe fasi yogo mwana takanjwa mara ai mawe
katerera tinje tworora
ai nunu
yakashumo rukunda netwara
ai mawe
kasingura mukazano kazara
ai nunu
yakashumo rukunda netwara
Mpora kakwata mpora nasingura mpora tagasengondere takahora
mpora kakwata mpora nasingura mpora tagasengondere takahora
ninyenda murere mutese nkomwana njo jujuze
munda cy'abantu mwe kurirenga ntamwina timpumbya
ashima number 1 soja nakirarukaga mushwija niwe nyanja ninye cyenyanja eshirukunde nuranye we kanshobera neshemeza amagara tukabaza kwajura twatambura hati lave kakura
ejini rukunda y'abantu betenga ruhanga kakusimanta mutazimura n'abani ndote kiroto canje mutakita bambe
ai mawe
katerera tinje tworora
ai nunu
yakashumo rukunda netwara
ai mawe
kasingura mukazano kazara
ai nunu
yakashumo rukunda netwara
mpora
mpora
nitwurra kiziro mani eiguru ryigwireho harangire ebiro byo kucira n'obugwate n'ibyebi ndoza kuba nunduka ngumve nkube tiretu harangirira shatara bobo mukama kurishitiribo
Chisire kanchigambe nindanjira sente ziyanusisha amatungo gari yanigation nindanjira ndwara ziyonigenda
Chizire kanchigambe chigambe nindanjirire sente ziriyo nizijanga matungo kariyo nigiza nindanjirire ndwara ziriyo nigenda
ebirungi byonka nebirengireho mukama yabimpeire ndiha akashumo konka katerere gye katari mu bitsiriko obunjwire gye dayamandi n'omushana nanye nagira kabaraho efeza nezabu nibyo nkushashurwa tinkiri wa shiringi adikireyo tinkiri wigana azadora nizibara adikireyo kuba mugigaranga no mu izina rya yesu adikireyo kwambeka kanyina hacharo bakafutina
nindanjirira nguti vechityariwe nindanjirira
chisire kanchigambe nindanjirira sente ziriyo nizija amatungo kariyo nigeisha nindanjirira ndwara ziriyo nigenda
chizire kanchigambe nindanjirire sente ziriyo nizijanga matungo kariyo nigiza nindanjirire ndwara ziriyo nigenda eka yawe tekuza kubura byo kurya inkoko ziriyo niziragara ku rugo mwiguru noza kuziryaza ukutamagombe bihimba amateno gochi tiberuwa muka yawe tocine mushango mukama yaguhorize noza kushikakoti bahikeno bagubinga tocere musebenzegereza cwecere kambisa mano tinkuza kuburwa fizi ranjiriro tinkuza kushomera busakana na promotion na murumo waje kwine urugo rwo mururo rwakwetorire indwara z'ikinyamisiri tuziragubase neze zoyine zahereze kugenda tocere munakutocere mburabure noza kusheka noza kubuzurize noza kusima noza kwibaza bakube naroza
chisire kanchigambe nindanjirira sente ziriyo nizija amatungo kariyo nigeisha nindanjirira ndwara ziriyo nigenda
chizire kanchigambe nindanjirire sente ziriyo nizija
ayiwana ariko kushaka umukazi ariko mugari munashabira umusheja we ukaje twonka yeshetiriki arabona bene myame ko umukazi ariko nashaba ngweje jiri naho umukazi ariko nashabira yebuze umukazi nafuka ki ariko nashabira abakazi kandi mushaba umukazi kamwe hore yo kushaba rero wa mutuji ko ndi umukazi kana yongera kuzoha kanisa ngeno walona kuja kumukazi agumashwame buri izoba wana kumukazi amanye kanisa wana kumanya kumukazi amanye ruhanga iwo mutuji ko ndi umukazi abakazi wa mutuji ko umukazi kana shaba umukazi kana shaba ati mbyame gweje ndike ko n'uburuhe bwanje ubwo mututu gabara kuntera kije wona nege ngo mututu gwera kandi mututu hati atubwire gwe cyanda kuko rabo mu rugunda abo kujya mwigurishije mu mututu ukiko ko wahura umwana yakubuza urayatera kitumurugo ya nani koko nguyarebe koko ati kumva byamira bwa buruhe buru mukaje cyo shaka mushaje umunana mwendomwe ariko nashaba burayimuka burayateka amaju yagateka shitabo cyane mwamwe ngwejegire ni buru mukaje yatereka kushima ruhanga tiyebana mawe ngwejegire shimuka nyimushaka burayitikanye mpora ngira muntu umukaje atandika shara wakakala umukazi atandika shara shaba ninkushima Yesu ninkushima ruhanga wanje ninkushima bwo musheja wanje ninkushima bwo musheja ubwo wampire ukamumpa chweri ne tukabantu bahurire ukamumpa turyemejeto tukukuna nakaja mutari mbona bonesha ukamukuna kwaje kwa yakumaje rye kare nanye ubwo yuna shabira mumeje rye kare nawe nayoya nikushima kumusheja kuma umuhwere Yesu agumaje karage nanya ngo muprograma je mipira yaje kumera mipira Yesu nibuju kumukazi yantu amipira ishi unashira na kumejesha karente kabihemba shi umukazi yatandika shara yanshabira nayo buju kumukazi nafati umukazi akeneye kushema mushejo ogwe yakuzire ataruko mu bwana buto nyibujuguke uko mukazi nafuha unayemera na wakibishishino ukagwati unayigamba na wakibishishino ruhanga wanje unayemera na wakibishishino waza kuretera kumunyi nyibuza tukumukazi gira kana ukuzire ayaya umuntu nofuyira umuntu muri bato oyikana kukikura kumerongo yo mu matu ocyamufuhira ati ngirukaje ndebe cyo kumvira cyo kimburira
abureshara yagihenura yajyanika kushiba mizimu mgihugu mukikuru emyaka kayashuba akenesha bashyane ashitano ko so musheje wanje ko so mubwenzi akenesha bayisirisha biro musheje wanje shitane muruge wo ati okuyengerera kuzo mwana makazi onka kandi Yesu wero hagatugirira mabashi omukaje akashaba yashaba nimukara naje kusesha cyashaba yazo mu ndimi nebo tugomukaje nafwa ki yashibe mizimu yabinga mizimu y'ubworo eyo kutonga no mumaka yo butagura nyama yagitayo atinishibe imizimu yo butagurire kanyama umukaje cyande kirekize butiri mukashete nakira bucya umukaje shara je kumire akashaba shara umukaje kangura kanyama tubunda kayura ashara akanyama kuna karete yatawe cyeshongoro ati kankorere mukama emirimo yawe kankorere ruhanga uri yampwenga birano ntakanyama ine kikakora kuko warateka ibinyobwa ninga bihimba ishara yakwesheshwe ngoretse kutekayo nokura yateka cyane kakuguruka iratochimbasha nyebuze tukumukazi uri onga kane ngano yes ngano abakazi begiresha abantu batari kushabira batari kushabira ana ibyo kurya nashabira mu byo kurya ura yakushabira tumusheje wajagenda kugenda koreje utkonka utekereje byenge nyama tubereye nyama ahindura meshara ngano yes helibye ati kaka kompira gwa Uganda na Afrika kutanto mu Uganda kungata omupira gumbira umupira tato mpira kwaza kutandika atiwaza kumajoja mecherezi mshije bwakanisa kujama kare to mpira kwaza kunyaka ni salamaka ati mpira kwaza kumbera mpira achana mentaire kubanza kwa mnyamu onka yeshwero muntefuyi nogo shwero nogo gure kibanze kirimo kutongana Yesu nabakabiriti akukunywa karundi munoga mugutomera kabiriti niyo zumonde kutereje kweta plani ukagutomera hurumu umukazi yateranye na jana toka mbere zo musheje niko kunywa kakabiga urashije 10 za metro potero Rwanda gwasite Yesu muri byo munonga cyangwa cyoro harwe Kampala bayeta metro potero bajya